how to find the value of a and b where a square minus b is equal to 43, b square minus a is equal to 43 and a not equal to b. Now a square minus b is equal to 43, it as equation number 1, and b square minus a is equal to 43, it as equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 2 from 1, we can write a square minus b minus bracket b square minus a is equal to 43 minus 43, or simplifying we can write here a square minus b minus times plus, it will be minus b square, and minus times minus, it will be plus a is equal to 43 minus 43 is equal to 0. Or rearranging left side, we can write here a square minus b square plus a minus b is equal to 0. Or applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we can write here a plus b times a minus b, and taking common 1 to last two term, we will get positive 1 plus a minus b is equal to 0. Or taking common a minus b, we will get a minus b times a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0, as a not equal to b. So a minus b not equal to 0. So we will have a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0 and a minus b not equal to 0. Now taking this 1 and a to right side, we will have b is equal to negative a and negative 1. Now it has equation number 3. Now from equation number 1, we can write a square minus b is equal to 43. Substituting the value of b here, we can write a square minus bracket minus a minus 1 is equal to 43, or a square minus times minus, it will be plus a, and minus times minus, it will be plus 1 is equal to 43, or a square plus a plus 1, taking this 43 to left side, we will get negative 43 is equal to 0, or a square plus a minus 43 plus 1 is equal to 42 is equal to 0. Now we can apply middle term breaking rule. So we can write here a square plus 7a minus 6a minus 42 is equal to 0. Or taking common a to first two term, we will get a bracket a plus 7, and taking common negative 6 to last two term, we will get negative 6 bracket a plus 7 is equal to 0. Or taking common a plus 7, we will get a plus 7 times a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we can write a plus 7 is equal to 0, or a minus 6 is equal to 0. Now taking this 7 to right side, we will get the value of a is equal to negative 7. 7, and taking this negative 6 to right side, we will get a is equal to 6. Now when a is equal to negative 7, then from equation 3 the value of b is equal to negative a minus negative a 1 is equal to a is equal to negative 7. So negative 7 negative 1 is equal to negative times negative, it will be positive 7, negative 1 is equal to 6. And when a is equal to 6, then the value of b is equal to negative a negative 1 is equal to negative 6 negative 1 is equal to negative 7. So the value of a and b is equal to negative 7, 6 and 6, negative 7. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.